TDC 2-in-1 flange machine.
TDC series system host machine mainly consists of material discharging device, forming part, straightening part, hydraulic cutting part, main frame, and transmission part. Forming part. The forming rolling wheels adopts 20 pairs of rollers. The distortion between each pair of rollers is reasonable and uniform. The rollers are made carbon 12 MOV steel. The hardness of the rollers reach HRC 58 to 60 after heat treatment. It applies precise CNC machine tool to process, and which precision level is 6 to 7 class with surface roughness, which is between 1.6, 1.8 levels. The rolling dimension is precise. Work pieces formed are in standard dimension without surface carving up. Material feeding bracket. It mainly consists of guide plate and bearing plate. The adjusting of guide plate can guarantee the pod smooth entering into the rolls and then shaping. The distance between the guides must be kept a little larger than the width of the sheet. Transmission part. Applying traditional motor, speed reducer, chain. Here, roll motion, which makes the workpieces walk forward and be formed through the synchronous transmission of the upper and lower rollers.